from SadoTech.com. I'm going to show you how easy this thing is to use. All you do is you take this receiver and to put it in the learn mode, you hold the volume button down, which is the top button, for a few seconds. It chimes at you, and then all you do is push your button to learn the button to the receiver. And then if you have a sensor, you learn the sensor to the receiver, and then you hold the button down for a few more seconds, and you are done. That's all it takes to program it. You hang the stuff where you want it, and you're done. That's
it. Traditional home security hasn't changed in years. Ring Alarm is a whole new way of looking at security. Ring Alarm is designed to be simple to use, easy to set up, and doesn't require professional installation. Professional monitoring means there's someone on call with 24/7 protection, and 911 response is right at your fingertips. Keep crime out and peace of mind within. There's no better way to protect your home than with Ring Alarm.
Complete the installation before going through the in-app setup process. The first thing you need to do is take off the removable faceplate. If it doesn't come off easily, hold the device on either end and push through the middle to remove the faceplate, and your Ring doorbell should begin speaking to you. Welcome to Ring, the world's most advanced doorbell. It can take a moment for your doorbell to power on after first connecting it, so if it doesn't light up right away, give it a couple minutes. Before replacing the removable faceplate, continue with the in-app instructions to connect your Ring doorbell to your Wi-Fi network. After completing the in-app setup of your Ring Video Doorbell Pro, install the faceplate on your device. Select any of the 4 that came in the packaging and simply place it over your Ring doorbell. You may feel a slight click. Then take one of the security screws that came in the packaging and, using the star-shaped end of your Ring screwdriver, screw it into the hole on the bottom of your Ring doorbell. The faceplate and your Ring doorbell should now be secured. If you ever need to remove the faceplate or want to replace it with another color, first carefully remove the security screw, then remove the faceplate like this. If you need additional help, feel free to reach out to our support team